Hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Deji, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create animated videos using this software called Eazy Sketch Pro. You can use this to create doodle videos for your social media pages, for your WhatsApp marketing, your Instagram pages. I mean, it catches the attention of people and it's really easy. If you can see here, you have all of these tabs: new project, open projects, new slide, image, text, videos, music, etc. I would like you to stay to the end, because at the end of this video I'm also going to be showing you how you can get Eazy Sketch Pro for free. So now that we are on this page, the first thing you have to do is to write out your script, exactly what you want to portray in the video. It's good to have an imagination of how your video is going to look like. So I already drafted my script right here. It's really short, and so this is what we're going to be using to create the video. So the first thing we are going to do is we're going to click on text, and then this is going to come up. I'm going to copy the first slide. This is what I want to be on the first slide, so I'm going to copy that and then I'm going to paste it. So I'm going to center it, and then I'm also going to reduce the font size. I also have the option of changing the font, so I'm going to choose this Montserrat, and then I'm going to click OK. So this is it right here. So I want to move this up. I'm going to click on it and drag it up. You can see it's really simple to use. It's not difficult, just like a drag and drop tool. And then the next thing I want is that I want an image. I want an image that's gonna grab attention. So you have all of these options here of different images. For now, I want a face, so I'm gonna look for faces right here. I want a face that says "Hey you," and then I want it to be big. I want it to be in your face like that. Okay. So that's that for slide 1. So now that I'm done with slide 1, I'm going to add another slide to the project. So I'm going to click on new slide, and then I'm going to go back to my notepad and then copy all of this text that I've written. I'm going to center that. I'm going to reduce the font size. Do you know why you're watching this video? It's simple. Okay. I'm going to change the font type. Okay. I think I want this to be a little bit bigger. So if you want to edit something you've written, you just right click on it and then click on edit. I want this to be a little bit bigger. Let's say 48. Okay, no, too big. So I'm just going to leave that at 32. Okay, so this is okay for this slide. And then I'm going to create another slide. I'm going to add text again. I'm going to go back to my notepad. I'm going to copy this. And then I'm going to paste it here. I'm going to put that in the middle. I'm going to reduce the font size again. I'm also going to change the font type. Okay. And then on this slide, I want an image. So because I want an image, I'm going to click on image, and then this time around I want a different kind of image, so I'm just going to go to the options and look for the image I want to. You can take your time, go through all of these options so you get the exact image that portrays the idea you're trying to send in your animation. What do I want? See, fantasy. Okay, I'm gonna pick this. Too big. Have to reduce this. I'm gonna go back to text. This is too big. I want it to be little. 24. Okay. Just trying to get the best arrangement for so if you, as you can see, the text is number 1 and the image is number 2. But I want to edit that. I want the image to be number 1 and the text to be number 2. So what I'll do is I'll just right click and then I'll order down. So once I do that, it changes. The text becomes number 2 and the image becomes number 1. So what that means is on this slide, the image is going to be the first to play. If I preview that, okay, so that's it. That's exactly what I wanted. So I'm gonna add a new slide, and then this time around I'm gonna copy what is left, copy, and then I'm gonna paste it. I'm gonna click on text, I'm gonna paste it. I'm gonna reduce the font size, I'm gonna change that, I'm gonna center that, and then I'm gonna add another slide. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna add another slide, make it 5. This time around I'm gonna type what I want because I don't have it scripted. Just gonna type something. Let's reduce that a little bit. Change the font size, center, and then okay. I think this is too big, so I'm gonna reduce it. Okay, drag that here. And then I want an image. Let's see. Nope. Delete that. Okay. So I want this image to be drawn first, and then the text comes next. Okay, so this is it. I'm done with my 5 slides. And then the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to add a music. I'm going to add the background music. So what you do is you click on music, and then you come here, you choose any of these sounds. Another thing you can do is you can browse and add your own music, the music you have on your PC. But I'm just going to go ahead and choose any of this music here. So I'm just going to click that one. I'm going to click on add, and then just wait for it to add. Okay, so now it has been added. You could also use your own image. For example, if you click on image, you can see load from PC. So in case you have a particular image you would like to use in your illustration, all you have to do is click on load image from PC, and then you're gonna have that. So we are going to go ahead and add that music again. We're going to preview it. Okay, and then we're going to add that music. It's going to take a little while and then gets added. So now that it's added, we're going to preview the entire slide. So now that we're okay with this, the next thing we'll have to do is to export this. So to do that, we just click on export, and then I'm gonna name this video animated video. It's going to be saved as an MP4 file. I'm gonna click on save. So that's it, guys. Really simple, really easy, and really fast. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comments, and I'm going to leave a link in the description so you could download this for free and make use of it for your online business. As you know that I create content about make money online and content that help improve your online business. So hit the subscribe button, like this video, and let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.